Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create rules in Gmail to move emails. Okay, so you have to use filters or rules to create, to make particular emails move in particular folders. So how you can do this? Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. If you really like this video guys, please subscribe me, don't forget it. If you subscribe me, I will motivate and create good content for you. So let's start with the video. So this is my email ID, and I'm going to show you how you can create rules. Okay, so here you can see the search bar. You have to first create folder, or you can create after that. Okay, so here go to your search bar and go to this advanced search, and here you can see the create folders. But before that, uh, you have to choose email or email ID or sender that you want to make it automatically move to the folder. Okay, so in my case, if I choose this Dropbox, okay, so from this email ID, if I receive emails from this email ID, it should be moved to the particular folder automatically. So what should I make it? What should I do for that? Okay, just copy email ID and go to this three dot option and go to the filters message like this. You can see the email has automatically copy here. You can make it deep, like you can filter, or in deep, like you can write the subject that email subjects has line, like, okay, so subject line should be very clear, or it should be match. So I advise you don't use subject. If you really requirement to make subject line, you can make it subject line, but it should be very clear and should be matched to the new email. Okay, so in my case, I just enter the email. So I just give the command to the Gmail that particular email from this email ID, when I receive it, it should be go to the particular folder automatically. So you can make it size, like select size, you can rules like has attachment, don't has chat, anything. So just create filter. Here you will have many filters like make us read, starry, delete it, never send spam, anything. But mostly people use labels. So apply for labels, skip from inbox, and here you can create labels or select the existing labels. I just create new label like Dropbox updates. Okay, create it, and you can select, and you can also move your existing conversation with this email ID. Okay, just create rules. So rules will be create, and you can see in the right side Dropbox updated folder has been created here. Okay, if you go on inbox and Dropbox updated, you can see your existing conversation has been moved here, and new mail when you receive with this email ID, the conversation will move in this particular mail only. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.